In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync multiple Trello boards with Unito 5 minutes. If you manage projects across several Trello boards, keeping everything aligned can be tough. Unito's Board Sync Power-Up solves this by mirroring cards and updates between boards automatically. First, log into Trello so you have access to the boards you want to connect. Open the board that will be part of the sync. You can add the power-up from any participating board. It doesn't need to be added everywhere to get started. Click the Power-Ups icon at the top of the board, then choose Add Power-Ups to open Trello's directory. In the search bar, type Board Sync by Unito or simply Unito. Find the Unito Board Sync Power-Up and click Add. Trello will prompt you to authorize the integration. Follow the prompts and grant the requested permissions so Unito can read and write on your behalf. If you're in multiple workspaces, double-check you're authorizing the correct one. Once the installation is complete, you'll see the Unito icon on your board. Click it to open the Unito panel, then choose Create Workflow. This is where you define which boards should talk to each other and how information will flow. Start mapping your boards. Select the first Trello board, then the second. Decide whether you want one-way or two-way updates, and choose which items should sync, such as open cards only. Map equivalent elements so information lines up properly. For example, connect lists like to do, doing, and done between boards, and match key fields such as titles, labels, due dates, members, and comments. A helpful approach is to start with the essentials, run a test, and then add more fields once you're confident it's working. Make sure your Trello account is linked inside Unito for each board you include. If your boards live in different workspaces, ensure you've connected the right account for both sides, so Unito has access to everything it needs. When you're satisfied, start the sync and confirm it's running. You should see a status indicator in Unito and, after a moment, mirrored cards appearing on the other board. A quick way to validate is to create a small test card on one board and watch it appear on the other with the same key details. That's it. You've set up a reliable sync between Trello boards using Unito. Keep the Unito panel handy to monitor status or pause the sync when needed and adjust mappings over time as your workflow evolves.